So today I'm breaking down whether DaVinci is truly the best free video editor creators should use this holiday season, and whether it can replace paid software entirely. But instead of going step by step, let's jump to the moment that surprises almost everyone. If your timeline ever lags or playback stutters, there's one hidden feature inside Resolve that instantly smooths everything, even on mid-range laptops. We'll get back to that in a second. First, DaVinci Resolve still gives you the full suite. Cut page for fast edits, edit page for detailed timeline work, Fusion for effects and motion graphics, Color, still the industry leader, Fairlight for pro-level audio. And the biggest part, it's all still free. No trial, no watermark, no gimmicks. But the real upgrade this year is performance. Resolve faster rendering across H.265, and ProRes, smarter background, and auto proxy creation that kicks in without you touching anything. And here's the twist. That hidden feature I mentioned earlier is the new adaptive playback mode, which automatically lowers background processing so your timeline stays smooth, even in 4K. Another big improvement is AI. Resolve adds cleaner object tracking, better noise reduction, and a new auto dialogue leveling tool that fixes inconsistent audio levels in just one click. For anyone posting YouTube videos, short form contents, it's a lifesaver, but it's not perfect. Fusion still has a learning curve, and some advanced AI tools require the paid studio version. Still, for $0, DaVinci Resolve gives creators more features than most paid editors. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough on setting up Resolve for smooth editing, drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple creator-friendly tech reviews.